Welcome back, everybody. Thought I'd do a little update since I've not been on in a while as to the current conditions of SC Redneck RC. As you can see, our shop is in a little bit of a disarray. We got wiring going on. Everything's slid out in the center of the floor. We're working on getting our new paint booth set up with our air compressor and get our air conditioner plugged in right. And we've got some new things coming. We're not going to do it on camera because everybody and their brother's already done it and we're late to the game. But we are going to dip in to the Apprentice STS airplane with an upgraded controller. So I will be back when I get it put together and we'll talk about it. Well, folks, there she is, and she is a monster. One of these days, when I finish getting this shop wired up and cleaned back up, maybe we'll get to take it for a test flight. Of course, at the moment, we've got batteries on charge and all kinds of other goodies. We're still working on our trucks. This one's got new wheels and tires. I have new shocks in the drawer for it and a bunch of others. Got our little Groot figure to drive. And with that, we're going to sign off for another week. Thank you very much. Well, folks, we got it back together. Got all our wiring done. Airbrush station set up. Everything's out of the middle of the floor, except for that giant airplane. I'm so looking forward to getting it in the air. But, well, that's it for this week. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.